Elon Musk has recently acquired Giga Mexico, a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that not only expands Tesla's production capabilities in Mexico, but also provides direct access to the highly advanced Giga Texas factory. With this move, Tesla can now benefit from both facilities and utilize the expertise of Giga Texas in terms of support and other key features. So how does a factory in Mexico help Tesla? How does it affect the EV industry in general? Does it propel Mexico economically in any way? Join us as we take a closer look at Musk's latest project, the Gigafactory in Mexico, which has everyone talking. So be sure to hit that subscribe and leave a like before we get things going. As many of you are aware, Tesla is a well-known global manufacturer of electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions. The majority of their products are produced in the Gigafactories, which are the company's large-scale production facilities. Tesla recently announced the impending opening of a futuristic new Gigafactory in Mexico. The company has reached a significant milestone with the opening of its new Gigafactory in Mexico because it will help expand its manufacturing capabilities and meet the growing demand for its products. The Guanajuato plant is currently under construction and is expected to employ thousands of people nearby. Initial production will be of Tesla auto parts, with later shipments to additional Tesla Gigafactories. Tesla's 6 Gigafactory, located in Mexico, will produce electric cars like the Model 3 and the Model Y, as well as other parts and accessories for Tesla vehicles, including batteries and electric motors. One of the main benefits of Tesla's proposed Gigafactory in Mexico is that it will allow the company to benefit from the lower labor costs in the area, which will help to lower manufacturing costs and increase productivity. Additionally, the facility will use green energy, making it more environmentally friendly. 5 Gigafactories were in operation prior to this, and 3 of them located in the United States: Giga Nevada, Giga New York, and Giga Texas. The Tesla Gigafactory in New York, Nevada, and Texas are some of the largest lithium-ion battery and electric vehicle production facilities in the world. These factories are designed to support Tesla's mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy by increasing the production of electric vehicles and batteries. A Gigafactory in Quebec or Ontario was likely to be feasible due to their proximity to raw material processors for batteries in the 2 provinces, as well as to Canada's car suppliers, most of whom are based in southern Ontario. Musk visited Ontario and Quebec, where he spoke with the Canadian government leaders. Musk was said to have met with officials in Nuevo Leon, which borders Texas and is located just west of Tamaulipas, which connects the Gulf of Mexico, at the same time that has plans for a Gigafactory in Canada that still need to be finalized. This is despite some apparent exploratory work by Tesla employees. Tesla is scheduled to travel to Santa Catarina. In the coming weeks, the investment will be finished, and at the end of the year will be disclosed. The consensus is that it needs to be completed as soon as 2023 gets started. We are confident that it will generate jobs, and it will be situated in the municipality's westernmost accessible region. Tesla predicts that a Mexico Gigafactory will be the most expensive, with a whopping $10 billion investment. The chosen location is Nuevo Leon, Mexico, specifically the Monterrey neighborhood. The initial investment to build the new Tesla Gigafactory is between $800 million and $1 billion, and the final cost multiplied by 10 makes it the most expensive Gigafactory ever constructed by Tesla. The one that opened in Berlin, in contrast, cost $5.5 billion. It is important to note that Texas, which is home to one of Tesla's Gigafactories, particularly in Austin, facilities cost more than $1 billion, can now produce 3,000 Model Y units per week. It shares its border with the Mexican state of Nuevo Leon. According to Reuters, Mexican Foreign Minister Marcelo Ebrard claimed that Elon Musk visited 3 different Mexican states before deciding on Nuevo Leon. The most significant foreign investment in the history of the state will be the new Gigafactory in Nuevo Leon. The acquisition of Tesla will have an impact on suppliers who want to build facilities close to the Gigafactory. Additionally, it may mark the first time Tesla produces an electric vehicle entirely in Mexico, a practice already employed by GM and Ford with their upcoming Blazer EV and Mustang Mach-E models respectively. Real estate agents acknowledged that they had been contacted by a number of businesses looking to expand in the area. The land where the plant will be built has already been acquired. However, a review of the area's public land records west of Santa Catarina showed no such completed transactions. From what I gather, they have already purchased the land. They may not want what happened to Kia to happen to them, but Musk made them a secret since the property near it was purchased is likely to grow in price. I don't believe the property is in the company's name, said one of the people. In addition, the Texas Gigafactory will produce the Cybertruck. That is Tesla's revolutionary pickup, which was announced years ago but won't be available until the end of 2023. Tesla wanted to demonstrate that electric cars could be both aesthetically pleasing, well-made, and environmentally friendly when it first introduced them. The response was almost overwhelming, and demand, particularly for the Model 3, skyrocketed. It can now take up to 3 months to get a Model 3, and based on all indications, demand will continue to be high for some time. Although the size and output of each Gigafactory vary, none are small. Before we get into the factories and how they differ from each other, a friendly reminder to leave a like. The smallest facility, Giga New York, which has 1.2 million square feet of workspace on an 88-acre parcel of land. The first Gigafactory in Nevada uses 1.9 million feet of land and nearly 10 million square feet of manufacturing space to produce about 35 gigatons of battery capacity annually. One of the largest buildings in the world in terms of the footprint is Giga Texas. The Gigafactory is an innovative idea that will develop to realize Elon Musk's vision of total vertical integration for an entire Tesla product line. And while there still is work to be done, the goal is to become self-sufficient so that the business can increase production to keep up with demand. Musk's vision should become a reality sooner rather than later thanks to the technological advancements. To say Tesla has significant intentions with regard to the Gigafactory idea would be an understatement. Such plants could proliferate quickly all over the world. The foundation has been laid, and the potential is present. Vertical integration aims to achieve the integral management of all business operations that every company aspires to at some point. If the producer controls every aspect of the product's production, quality, and cost may be better managed. Lowering the need for outside assistance and customers at the Gigafactory additionally aids businesses in saving money. Tesla is promised total control over every aspect of operation and complete freedom to make any necessary adjustments. The biggest concern consumers will experience from visiting the new facility is the ability to offer them novel goods and services. Price reductions are one way that buyers can benefit. Many of the luxuries we now take for granted were out of financial reach just a few short decades ago. If Tesla succeeds in building their Gigafactory, we might observe the same with their cars. The company needs 2 million vehicles to meet its production goal for the upcoming year, and the Giga Texas significantly contributes to that goal. Aside from the obvious advantage of lower auto worker wages in Mexico, the Gigafactory would be just a few hours away from the Gigafactory in Austin and could easily share supplies of components or produce parts for assembly in Austin as needed. A new Gigafactory, whether in Canada or Mexico, ignores some of the automaker's other challenges, including an aging lineup, an investigation into autopilot collisions with first responder cars, and the availability of its supposedly full self-driving technology as a Level 2 system. A Gigafactory in Mexico always has less expensive operational costs than a facility in Canada, including internal heating for the facility and enough sunlight for Tesla's solar cells. Given the paucity of information, there are many questions about Tesla's operations in Mexico that remain unanswered. So in conclusion, the Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico, or the Tesla Manufacturing Complex, or Tesla Factory, is a manufacturing facility currently under construction in the Bajío region of Mexico, which is being built in the state of Guanajuato, near the city of Silao, and is expected to produce batteries and electric vehicles for Tesla. Furthermore, as mentioned earlier, the factory is considered a crucial component of Tesla's global strategy, as it is expected to increase greatly the company's production capacity and bring much-needed jobs to the region. The construction of the factory has generated significant interest and excitement among the local community, as well as among the wider businesses and investment communities. In his statement, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said, "The Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico is an important part of our strategy to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy and bring jobs to the local community." Similarly, Governor Diego Sinhu of Guanajuato stated, "The Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico will be a key driver of economic growth in the region and will bring much-needed jobs to the area. We are thrilled to be partnering with Tesla on this important project." The construction of the Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico is expected to have a significant impact on the local economy, with the company estimating that the facility will generate over 10,000 jobs in the area. This has led to much anticipation among the local community, with many eager to learn more about the opportunities that the factory will bring, which makes it an important development in the country's push toward a more sustainable future, and is expected to bring significant economic benefits to the region. With its innovative technologies and commitment to environmental sustainability, the factory is poised to be a leading example of what is possible in the modern manufacturing landscape. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed today's video on Musk and his wild expansion plans.